Crime against the women is increasing day by day. Why crime is increasing against the women day by day? Is it because of reinvestment of the society, or is it because of influence of the Western culture, or is it because of the women herself? Clear? What is reinvestment of the society? जो चलता आ रहा है पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी. Understood? So is it because of the reinvestment of the society, or is it because of influence of Western culture, or is it because of women herself? Clear?
Reimburse.
Crime rate against the women is increasing day by day. What do you think is the main reason which is responsible? Is it because of the reinvestment of society, or it is because of influence of the Western culture, or is it because of women herself? Clear? You can start your discussion.
So guys, I think reimbursement of the society is the main cause of increasing crime against reimbursement of society.
Reimbursement of the society, yes.
Ancient times, women have been suppressed in different ways. So
Not in Indian culture. It's from the Western culture. It came from Western culture.
No, it's from Indian culture. Women are being suppressed from past.
They have been
I agree with the judgment of
in India, not in Western culture.
Agree with the judgment.
Many like yes, I agree with chess number one. Like many crimes are because of dowry. Because of dowry, not giving dowry.
Domestic violence are happening just because of that.
I absolutely agree with you. Let the Western culture play a crucial role in the crimes against the women. But in my opinion, the restructure of the society play a very crucial role regarding the crime rate of women.
And in fact, I think that the Western culture has made women to realize their rights, and what they can do instead of drawing them back, they are giving the Western culture is giving them a support instead of more of a support than drawing them back.
Just because of the old culture, the husband of the wife are beating them, and they are facing the domestic violence.
Yes.
And
suppressed by
Yes, I agree with chess number 38. This is because yes, this is because
women are like a god or a devi. And
Women are like warriors and
not in every household they are treated as a devi. In some houses they are treated as a devi, but in talking about other cases, they are also treated as a just a woman, or we can say
all the points are equally important against the crime against women.
Yes.
But more important point is the reinvestment of the women.
Yes.
Because from the ancient times, there is